Staying at a luxury hotel is the ideal way to sample the lifestyle of the wealthy if you want 5-star service and experience. Luxury hotels provide an unparalleled experience for the elite, with gorgeous architecture, world-class amenities, and great food. We have compiled a list of the most luxurious hotels for the most discerning luxury travelers. So, what kind of luxury do they offer? What amenities are available? Let's find out that and much more in today's video. Taj Lake Numa Palace, Hyderabad. The Taj Lake Numa Palace, India's only 7-star hotel, was built in 1884 and was previously owned by the Nizam, ruler of Hyderabad, the world's wealthiest man. A multitude of precious artworks, manuscripts and furnishings, including Belgian ossuary chandeliers and an enormous jade collection, can be found inside this magnificent palace. Clumsy guests should go somewhere else. The Indian palace has been restored to its 19th century splendor and is now operated by Taj Hotels. It also provides guests with the option of arriving in a vintage horse-drawn carriage with a rose-petal welcome. A historical suite with a city view costs $526 per night. Some of the celebrities who have been here include Salman Khan. He picked the hotel for his sister Arpita Khan's wedding with Aya Sharma. Mandarin Oriental, Hong Kong. This well-known flagship hideaway in the heart of Hong Kong provides guests with a pleasant respite from the city's hustle and bustle. The 501 rooms and suites at the Mandarin Oriental enjoy beautiful views of the city skyline and Victoria Harbor. At the same time, the Mandarin Suites gathering space includes a balcony that runs the length of 2 sides for unrivaled views. The Mandarin Oriental is unquestionably one of the world's most magnificent hotels, blending traditional service with a sleek contemporary style, superb dining, and cutting-edge facilities. The space appeals to leisure and business tourists because it combines high-quality business facilities with relaxing room surroundings. Some of the celebrities who have been here include Chinese actors, singers, and model Chen Kun. For $300, you can enjoy a night at this luxury hotel. The Inn at Little Washington, Virginia. The Inn at Little Washington is a quieter elegance with a beautiful culinary experience. The Inn provides 24 rooms, suites, and cottages in a peaceful village in the Blue Ridge Mountains foothills. While the furnishings are luxurious, they are also playful and inviting. The lodgings and environment are serene and beautiful, but the food is the property's overwhelming lure. The Inn is home to Virginia's only 3-star Michelin restaurant. Chef Patrick O'Connell's restaurant is noted for its inventive, unfussy food that elevates individual ingredients while utilizing the abundant wealth of the Mid-Atlantic region. Guests keep returning for meals that have been hailed as outstanding in every way. It will cost you almost $1,000 for a night at the hotel when it comes to the price. Emirates Palace Hotel, Abu Dhabi. The Emirates Palace is incredible, costing $3 billion to build. This hotel has a 1.3-kilometer private beach, 128 kitchens, 114 domes, and marble from 13 nations. The first 12 were sold out, with 12 outdoor fountains, over 1,000 Swarovski crystal chandeliers, and a gold vending machine for when you're short on precious metal. The grandeur extends from the grounds to the ceilings. At the Emirates Palace, gold is not only worn but also consumed. Everything gets a coating, from camel burgers to the in-house cappuccino. Rooms at Emirates Palace, which bills itself as the People's Palace, start at $600 a night. Will Smith, Naomi Watts, and Orlando Bloom are among the celebrities who frequently visit the stunning location. Royal Malleum, South Africa. It's a safari resort that offers one of Africa's most qualified guiding teams, making it a perfect base to watch the big 5 game animals. A luxurious spa with a heated lap pool, steam room, and fully equipped gym is available. The Royal Malleum Bush Spa uses healing earth, a South African substance, for its treatments, which take place in individual casitas. Dine under the stars in the bush tent or in the solitude of your suite. A kosher kitchen is also available, and an extensive wine and whiskey list. A night at this hotel will set you back over $4,000. However, Richard Gere, Elton John, former France President Nicolas Sarkozy, and Microsoft tycoon Paul Allen have stayed here. Grand Hotel Torrezzo, Italy. Grand Hotel Torrezzo is a historic 5-star hotel in Italy, located on the banks of Lake Como. The property, which opened in 1910, has panoramic views of the mountains and the lake. There are 90 modern rooms and suites available, some of which include a private balcony and hot tub. This is the ideal spot to unwind, with 3 swimming pools, tea spa, a gym, and tennis courts. Villa Sola Cabbiani is a few minutes' walk from the Grand Hotel Torrezzo and can accommodate up to 12 people. The magnificent home boasts a private pool as well as an Italian garden. Currently, it will cost you a whopping $800 per night. The Plaza of New York City. Since its founding in 1907, the Plaza has attracted international leaders, diplomats, captains of industry, Broadway stars, and Hollywood royalty. It is, however, far more than just a historical site. The one-of-a-kind rooms and suites of the Plaza go above and beyond to ensure that visitors have a memorable and extravagant stay. Consider the Tower Room, which features a stunning 23-foot exposed brick turret ceiling, or the Fitzgerald Suite King, designed by Oscar-winning designer Catherine Martin as a tribute to the jazz age and F. Scott Fitzgerald. Of course, we can't forget about the hotel's many dining options, including the Rose Club, with great lounge seats and various unusual beverages. This renowned venue epitomizes luxury at a price tag of $700 per night. The Ritz Carlton, Wolfsburg, Germany. If you don't think of luxury when you think of views of a vehicle assembly plant, you're in for a pleasant surprise. Within the Volkswagen Autostadt theme park, the 5-star Ritz-Carlton Wolfsburg is surrounded by automotive, architectural, design, art, and culinary innovation. Floor-to-ceiling windows with views of the Autostadt or the old Volkswagen plant contrast with minimalist, contemporary decor in the rooms and suites. The 2-bedroom black and white suite is the life of the party, with a relaxing steam shower, separate soaking tub, living room fireplace, and pool table. A 3-star Michelin restaurant, Aqua, serves modern European cuisine, a floating outdoor swimming pool in the harbor basin, and a spa focusing on organic treatments and products, all for $233 per night. Kamalaya Koh Samui, Thailand. Wellness and luxury are intrinsically intertwined at the Kamalaya retreat. Guests are greeted with signature mocktails upon arrival and given the option to create their ideal wellness experience in a one-on-one session. For $200 a night, guest stays are filled with an effortless blend of expert-led workout programs, specialty spa treatments, and healthy 5-star cuisine for the duration of their stay. Kamalaya's surroundings are just perfect. The resort is built on a large hill with views of a white sand beach and a tranquil lagoon, and all of the structures blend in with the natural surroundings. Guests will find quiet hidden gems throughout the property, such as a cave for contemplation, swings that reach over the river, and rooms with separate plunge pools. Guests rave about the once-in-a-lifetime experience and express an eagerness to return. Taj Lake Palace, India. It's one of India's most famous floating hotels, costing $600 per night. It has a long and storied history. The property was commissioned by Prince Maharana Jagat Singh and finished in 1746 under the name Jag Niwas Palace. There are 65 rooms and 18 grand suites on the premises and 4 restaurants. The hotel has its own Jiva spa boat, which is known for its spa treatments. On board the wooden sailboat, you can schedule Indian aromatherapy experiences. Some celebrities who have visited the place include Bollywood actress Lisa Ray. The Palms, Las Vegas. The Palms is known for its famous high-rolling environment. Even though there are numerous luxury establishments to select from on the Las Vegas Strip, the Palms Penthouse Suites have hosted some of the most high-profile events Las Vegas has ever seen, and they're meant to entertain. The property offers luxury and style to suit every taste, with penthouses, villas, and themed suites. Take, for example, the 2-story Sky Villa. This 8,500 square foot sanctuary is about as opulent and unusual as a hotel suite, with a 17-seat bar, fitness center, massage room, game area, private pool overlooking the lights of Vegas, and much more. There is also a hardwood suite, a 10,000 square foot arena with a private basketball court, professional locker room, pool table, whiskey lounge, and 11 televisions. Celebrities who have been here include David Schwimmer as well as Cuba Gooding Jr. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. Since its opening in 1999, the Burj Al Arab has been referred to as the world's first 7-star hotel, or the most luxury hotel in the world. While the company does not refer to itself in this manner, it's simple to see why others do. The Burj Al Arab is an all-suite hotel with 28 double stories and 202 luxury duplexes, ranging from 1,830 to 8,396 square feet. It's built on an artificial island off the shore of Dubai's pristine sandy beaches. Each suite includes an extensive selection of complimentary Hermes toiletries, a pillow menu with 17 selections, and a bath menu with a butler on hand, all at a price tag of $1,900. The hotel focuses on grandeur to satisfy even the most travel-weary guests, with 6 high-end restaurants, a rooftop helipad, a Rolls-Royce shuttle service from the airport, and walls covered in 24-karat gold leaf. The hotel's design and architecture are as unusual as they come, with its due shape visible from miles away. If all of that isn't enough luxury, guests will also receive 24-karat gold iPads upon arrival, which are pre-programmed with access to all hotel amenities and information. Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai, the Bollywood power couple, have recently expressed their admiration for their opulent hotel. Well, and that's all for today's video. Which of the hotels got your interest the most? Which among them do you rank as the best? Comment below. Let's engage. Also, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye, and see you next time.